kids. Today we're going to be making a chuck roast, and we're going to do it Gigi's way. So I have everything here that we're going to use, and to start off with I have a, let's see how many pounds this is. 2.5 pound chuck roast. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put, let's see, I'll put just a little bit of olive oil on here. Come on, olive oil. There we go. And I'll brush it in just a little bit on this one side. And we're going to go in with some Montreal steak seasoning, which I love this seasoning for roast or steaks, even hamburgers. Season up this side. Garlic powder. And I will wipe off my spices with a wet cloth when I'm done. And we have some onion powder. We're going to go ahead and dust this with a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of a crust. And we're going to go ahead and get everything rubbed in, and we're going to go ahead and get this in the pan and get it seared.
So we got us a pan here with a little bit of oil in it.
Yes, we do.
And we'll be searing this on both sides.
Sear this.
While this is like that, Gigi will go ahead and season up this other side.
Just like we did that first side.
Absolutely. A little olive oil. Get her shined up there. Got a little Montreal steak seasoning, and like Gigi said, we use it for everything from hamburgers to steaks to Montreal makes some great seasonings. Just like McCormick's make great seasonings. And we go back with a little garlic powder. Got
onion powder.
Little onion powder. Oh yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, we got a little in. We got to spread it there. Make it give it a little crust.
A little crust, and then what this will do later on, guys, is this will help make a nice gravy.
Absolutely.
Some people use flour. I just kind of like to use cornstarch these days, so a little something different.
We got her seasoning now, boy. She's searing on one side. Flip her over on the other side. Look at that sear. Nice. That's nice. We'll sear this other side just like it. Yep. It's nice. And you're talking about smelling good already?
Also, another little secret that they use a lot in Oriental cooking is a little bit of baking soda. So I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit on here on the meat.
Yep.
And it helps tenderize the meat. Don't put a lot, just a little bit.
We hope everyone's having a wonderful day today.
We pray that you have power back.
Yep, pray that everyone has power and safe and well. And we thank you for taking your time out of the day to watch our video. Please watch all of our videos if you take a notion, and give us a like, a comment, and a subscribe. We got some garlic, minced garlic going in.
A little bit of garlic left.
There you go. There you go.
Put it in a jar.
Yep. Got us some minced garlic. Put in a little beef broth.
Okay, so I'm going to make my sauce, and this is something that my mom did for years. And the only difference that I'm going to do differently is because I have no red wine at the house today, but I have white wine. So we're going to do this chuck roast with white wine instead of red. So just goes to show you can still make good food and just use what you have. So I'm going to get this can of cream mushroom soup out. And then I'm going to add one envelope of the
Lipton onion mix.
Lipton onion soup. Just the regular
Lipton onion soup mix.
old-fashioned
Yep.
Lipton onion soup mix. Put
One
that
pack
in
of
here.
that.
Then I'm going to go in with probably about a half a cup of beef broth.
Alright.
After a quarter. Mix this up a little bit. Everybody happy? That already smells good. Then I'm going to top this off with probably a good about quarter to a half cup of wine.
Yep.
And what the wine will do, the wine will help to tenderize your meat. So.
And she's got the oven preheated at 315.
You can do 320, 325. It's gonna kind of.
It's gonna be low.
Mix, low and slow is how you
Low
want
and
to do your
slow, of
roast.
course.
Even if you don't have any wine, you don't have. You can use apple juice.
Absolutely.
Use some
Orange
vinegar.
juice.
Anything
Vinegar.
really.
Absolutely.
You see how this is already kind of making a gravy? You see how thick and the pretty color that is? It smells delicious. I'm going to pour this over the meat. And then we're going to go around like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with just a little bit more wine. I went ahead and rinsed out my measuring cup, and I have a 1/4 cup of white wine and a 1/4 cup of water. So we're just going to go around the outside of the roast like that. And we're going to just kind of jiggle it just to make sure that all of your good liquids get up underneath your roast. Some people, if they don't cook roast a lot, they don't know to do that. So just kind of tip it and make sure that everybody's happy. And we're going to put this in a 315 degree oven, and I'm going to check it in 1 hour. And I'm also going to add, I have 3 small white onions that I've just quartered up. And
if you want to, you can add carrots.
Which I will do later.
Absolutely.
I just have some small carrots. If I had larger carrots, I would add them now. I just have some baby carrots. Just add all this in there. And we're going to let everybody just get really happy.
And we'll check it in 1 hour.
Check it in 1 hour. Thanks, kids.
Thanks, y'all.
Okay, kids, this has been in 1 hour. And it smells heavenly.
Smells really, really good.
It smells like a fine restaurant. And you can see how things are progressing, and meat's trying to break down, and the onions are seasoning all that. I'm going to give it 1 more hour, and then after that 1 hour, I will add my carrots. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Ooh.
There we go.
There you go, kids. That's been another
Second hour, and she's beautiful.
She is beautiful.
It makes the house smell delicious.
So you can see how it's already trying to
break apart.
break apart.
So in our carrots.
Like I said, I have some little baby carrots.
And if you got bigger carrots, you can put them in after the first hour.
Or if you had the real big.
At the beginning.
You put them in the
Or
beginning.
you could put other vegetables in, potatoes. You can use potatoes, onions.
I think I'm going to do that, Papa.
Oh, we're going to put a few potatoes in it? Yeah, that'll work. Look here, we are going to come in there with some small little potatoes.
These are like little heirloom.
Yeah. This kitchen wouldn't be the same without Paul's intelligence.
Don't call him Tater for nothing.
Yeah, that's my nickname. Always has been Tater, so I can't forget to cook potatoes. So we'll put them in there in probably another, what, G, 30, 45 minutes?
About another hour.
Yes, about 3 hours total.
And it's on 315.
And it'll feed a lot of people.
Yeah.
Well, we'll show you whenever it's done. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. See you shortly. Alrighty, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. After 3 hours of cooking at 315 degrees. Taters is good. And meat is falling apart. Look at here, y'all. Look at that. Oh, yeah. She's ready, ain't she, G?
She's ready, kids.
Try it. Is this hot? How is it?
So good.
Is it good?
So
Can't
good.
wait. We're going to make our plates and be right back. Okay, everyone, here's our finished plates. We're fixing to eat and eat and eat. We hope everyone has a beautiful day. Next time we make this, we're going to have some homemade hoe cakes to go with it. We're eating some sourdough with it tonight. So, thank you everyone again for taking time to watch our video. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you.
And we'll see you soon.
Yep,
Love
thanks
you,
y'all.
bye.
Bye, have a good night.